Hurricane Nicole made landfall overnight, and it is now a tropical storm as it moves inland across Florida.
We have a live look from the Tampa area. It's the first time a hurricane has made landfall in the U.S. this late in the year since 1985. ABC's Josh Einiger has the latest from Florida.
This morning, Hurricane Nicole crashed its way onto Florida's east coast, making landfall on the tiny barrier beach called Hutchinson Island and lashing the coast with heavy rain and wind gusts topping 75 miles per hour. Up the coast, the hours of angry waves swallowed up entire backyards, endangering homes already battered by Hurricane Ian 6 weeks ago.
These homes right here barely hanging on. We do not know. Hey, Carrie, come down here, take a look at this. You can see it's just starting to crumble little by little underneath this house.
New drone video shows the beach erosion in Volusia County hours before Nicole's landfall. The storm surge expected to be up to 5 feet, jeopardizing homes and residential buildings.
It's going to be pretty catastrophic for anyone that owns a property in this stretch and really on the beach at all in Volusia County.
Local law enforcement deemed 12 condos and at least one hotel at risk of collapse. Authorities evacuated families from at least 6 of those buildings. Nicole's expected to bring hurricane conditions to most of Florida today.
I am most concerned about coastal erosion. Look right behind me. Those waves, every time they hit this bit of sand, more and more falls.
For all the drama at the coast, some of the worst impacts may be well inland, where this morning power outages have left thousands in the dark. Most trees can withstand a Category 1 storm, but Hurricane Ian saturated the soil in Florida weeks ago, leaving trees at a higher risk of falling and bringing power lines down with them.
And back here on Hutchinson Island, where the storm passed directly over us, the wind direction has now switched as we experience the backside of this storm, and it lifts its way across and then through the Florida peninsula. At daybreak, the damage assessment will begin as the state of Florida figures out where it stands and how long it'll take to rebuild.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel and download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.